Welcome back to the Financial Knowledge Group. This video is made with data up to July 31st, 2025, and we're diving deep into the top performing cryptocurrencies. We'll explore live price action, market sentiment, and highlight the biggest gainers and most promising altcoins of the day. Let's kick things off with a quick price snapshot. Bitcoin is currently trading around $118,000, after a slight dip of just under 1%. Ethereum is holding steady near $3,760, while Solana is sitting at about $178. Despite the small pullbacks, the overall trend remains bullish, especially after the recent ETF approvals and positive macroeconomic data. Now let's talk performance. Bitcoin has pulled back slightly ahead of upcoming US monetary policy announcements, but remains up over 25% in the past 30 days. Ethereum continues to ride the wave of institutional demand, with a monthly gain of over 56%. Solana, after a strong surge earlier this month, has cooled off, but still shows strong potential if it can retest the $200 level. Now let's turn our attention to today's top performing altcoins. First up is Cardano, trading near 82 cents. The graph shown on screen is in pounds, not dollars, so keep that in mind. Cardano is up 15% this week alone. With the Basho upgrade underway and renewed interest in decentralized finance, analysts predict Cardano could push past $1.10 in the coming weeks. Next, we have XRP. It's hovering around $3.20, supported by strong institutional adoption. With increased regulatory clarity in the US and Asia, XRP might be gearing up for a retest of the $4 mark. One of the emerging stars of the day is Remittix, ticker symbol RTX. This presale altcoin aims to revolutionize crypto to bank transfers in over 30 countries. With a beta wallet launching in mid-September and real-world utility, it's being closely watched by speculative investors. Another high flyer is BlockDAG, ticker BDAG. Currently in pre-sale at just 1/10 of a cent, it has already raised more than $355 million. With projections showing a potential 3,000% return and a mining app launch in the pipeline, BlockDAG is attracting massive attention. And then there's LILPEPE, the meme coin turned layer 2 ecosystem. With a current pre-sale price of just 0.0016, analysts believe it could hit 10 cents or even 50 cents by the end of the year. Backed by a strong community and real development plans, LILPEPE has raised over $9 million already. Now let's take a moment to weigh the bull case versus the bear case. On the bullish side, we're seeing strong institutional appetite, especially with Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs now widely traded. Regulatory momentum, tech upgrades, and broader adoption are creating the perfect setup for a long-term rally. Many altcoins are gaining traction not just on hype, but on actual product delivery and ecosystem growth. But on the bearish side, high volatility still plagues the market. With Bitcoin and Ethereum dipping slightly ahead of Federal Reserve announcements, caution is warranted. Also, pre-sale tokens carry inherent risks, and without proper research, investors can be left holding the bag. So how do you evaluate these high-risk, high-reward altcoins? Here are a few tips. 1. Always check if the project has an official audit. 2. Look at the team and their track record. 3. Review the white paper and roadmap. 4. Gauge the strength of the community and social presence. 5. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. And finally, diversify your portfolio to reduce risk. To wrap up, Bitcoin remains the cornerstone of the market, currently trading near $118,000. Ethereum is showing bullish strength around 3,700. Solana is a potential breakout candidate. And when it comes to altcoins, Cardano, XRP, Remittix, BlockDAG, and LILPEPE are today's standouts, each with its own mix of risk and potential reward. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a market update. Drop a comment below and tell us, what coin are you watching most closely this week? Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.